Let's explain Unicode, UTF-8, and UTF-16. 1. Unicode is like a giant dictionary of characters from all the world's writing systems. It assigns a unique number, called a code point, to each character, from the letter A to emojis to ancient symbols. Think of it as a universal standard that ensures everyone can understand the same text, regardless of their computer's language settings. 2. Now, how do we actually store these code points in computer files or databases? This is where UTF-8 and UTF-16 come in. They're encodings, meaning they're specific ways of representing those Unicode code points as a sequence of bytes, the basic units of digital information. 3. UTF-8 is a very popular encoding because it's flexible and efficient. It uses a variable number of bytes to represent each character. Common English characters use only 1 byte, while less common characters might use up to 4. This makes UTF-8 space efficient for text that primarily uses characters from the basic Latin alphabet, but it can still handle characters from any language. 4. UTF-16, on the other hand, uses either 2 or 4 bytes per character. It's often used in some programming languages and operating systems. While it's simpler than UTF-8 in its structure, using a fixed number of bytes for the most common characters, it can be less efficient for text containing mainly ASCII characters, as it'll always use at least 2 bytes, even for a single letter like A. 5. The key difference boils down to efficiency and how many bytes are used per character. UTF-8 is generally more efficient for English text and text with a mix of characters, but UTF-16 might be preferred in scenarios where consistent byte size is more important. 6. It's important to note that the Unicode standard itself doesn't specify how characters are stored. It only defines the code points. The encodings like UTF-8 and UTF-16 provide the actual method of representing these code points in a computer. 7. Imagine you're writing a letter and Unicode is your alphabet with a unique number for each letter. UTF-8 and UTF-16 are different ways of writing that letter in a code that a computer understands. One might be shorter or more efficient than the other, but they both represent the same information. Understanding the difference between Unicode, UTF-8, and UTF-16 helps in ensuring compatibility and correct representation of text across different systems and applications.